I've decided to cut my hair. My wife, who has no prior experience in cutting hair, is gonna try and style it for me. The only issue is we don't have any grooming kit. I'm in pain and I'm cold.
If I've ruined his hair, it is not my fault.
Look at the tools we're gonna be using today. What the hell is this?
I just need something to section the hair, and I don't have enough.
What the hell? I have not agreed to that. This is a triton of Satan.
Okay. Just relax. You know, when I was younger, I used to cut all my Barbie's hairs off.
Poor freaking Barbies.
And everyone used to come over and see my Barbies all like with short hair. No, hang on, I need more. See, is it hurting you? I'm being gentle.
A little bit about what we're doing. We are traveling. We've decided to leave Australia for a bit and see the world. We're in Italy at the moment and we've been traveling for the last 3 or 4 months. I haven't started cutting yet. This doesn't look promising. But how hard it is, just chop, chop, chop.
Yeah, you want to chop, chop, chop? Go ahead. If it's not hard, do it yourself.
Remember when I chopped half of my hair and I looked like a woman from the 60s in Gold Coast?
That was so funny.
Oh, this is gonna take hours.
Well, I mean, if you don't want to take hours, that's why people go and they pay. I cut it really short.
This one?
Yeah.
I don't feel any different. Guys, this feels like a disaster in the making. Okay, we're gonna go try and wet my hair.
I'm just giving a disclaimer. If I've ruined his hair, it is not my fault, future Rami. I'm not a qualified hairdresser. I have no idea what I'm doing. Although it is interesting and I would like to learn. But not like this. I would like to learn in a way that's not on a human and on a fake person so I can learn properly. So if he gets upset about his hair, do not blame me. Bye. Alright
guys, my hair is wet as for the pro requests.
You didn't wet it enough.
What do you mean?
Can you stay straight?
Khalas, you need to move on now. Stop cutting the same spot.
Oh, I need to keep watching the video because I don't know what to do now.
What?
Yeah, I only learned how to do the bottom part.
Are you serious? I'm starting to get cold. Ah, wow, you're pulling my hair. Okay guys, hour number 3 on the balcony. I hope we're progressing. I can't see anything. I have a lot of trust in my wife. What did I say?
Oh my god, I keep dropping it. Okay, let's leave that one on the floor.
Why did I say yes to this?
Why did I say yes to this?
I mean, why did I ask her this?
This is my day off.
I'm so uncomfortable. I'm in pain and I'm cold. Namaste. I feel like Amanda's been doing the same section for the last 3 hours. We're still down the bottom. So Amanda just said we're going towards the front now, but she has no idea how to do that.
Oh my god, there's so much hair. I need one of those brushes that they have at the hairdresser.
I feel like what I just did like.
Don't. Not worth it.
Let's do it.
Oh shit.
If you're horny, let's do it. Riding my pony. I think we changed seasons. We went from summer to winter and I'm still on the balcony. And Amanda's somehow still managing to find hair on the side of my head.
No!
What?
It's dead.
Are you serious?
Oh
my god.
I need to figure out how to cut the side.
What do you mean?
I don't know how to cut the side.
Oh my god. We're almost done. We're almost done. And I can't see. Oh my god, I'm so cold. The wind is horrible.
Don't do it. I would kill you just because of all the effort I've put in.
Yeah, baby, can we like hurry up, Shwai?
I can't hurry up.
Shwai, come
Do you want
on.
me to fuck it up or not?
I don't care. I'm really cold and I'm.
Well then let's forget about it.
No, come on.
No, because if you're bitching, I'm not struggling. I'm really struggling.
How am I bitching? I'm just cold and I'm saying
So put a
yalla.
top on.
Let's quick yalla حاجة تطلع علي وتحسمسي يلا let's start
I
shopping.
don't know where it's here. It feels a bit longer.
Let's chop it off. 3 hours into the quest, we're almost done. Ah, and we changed balconies because the sun is here and I was cold on the other side. And I wanted to say as well, I got bitten 25,000 times by mosquitoes. Baby.
I'm an os.
مش عم
And it's
بخفش.
like
Baby,
the...
looks nice.
We're getting there.
I think I'm really happy with it. My wife did it. And what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Like, I'm still getting the special touch. Don't forget to subscribe, and this is Rami out.